Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we are going to join two actions or two verbs which happen at nearly the same time. At the same time, the two actions happen nearly at the same time. And we are going to use as soon as, once, when, and after. And here also we are going to use the present perfect tense with the as soon as and once. And we are going to use the present simple tense with when and after. Let's take an example. For example, here, as soon as we've arrived home, we'll have a rest. Now, if we have, for example, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, we are going to join them into one sentence. How? We are going to start with a word, for example, when or after. After that, we are going to write sentence 1, put a comma, and sentence number 2. Again, we are going to start with when or after or as soon as or once. Then the first sentence, put a comma between them, and sentence number 2. Sentence number 2, we are going to use the future with will. Again, in sentence number 2, we are going to use the future with will. Let's take the example here. What do we have here? We have two sentences. Sentence number 1, we've arrived home. Sentence number 2, we'll have a rest. Okay, so we are going to use with as soon as. As soon as. Then write the first sentence. Between them, we are going to have a comma. Then the second sentence. So it will be, as soon as we've arrived home, we'll have a rest. The same thing with the second sentence. For example, when. Sentence number 1. We arrive home, put a comma, then sentence number 2. We'll have a rest. Where are the two verbs? In sentence number 1 here, we have the verb, which is arrive. Is it present simple or present perfect? Yes, it's present simple. But what about the verb in sentence number 2? It's future with what? It is future with will. Will have. Will have. So don't forget that what do we have here? We are going to join two sentences with these words. For example, as soon as, or once, or when, or after. And in sentence number 1, you can use present simple tense or present perfect tense. In sentence number 2, we are going to use the future with will.